Are you tired of looking at that old, uninspired piece of furniture? Before you throw it out or spend a fortune on something new, I'm going to show you some amazing furniture makeover ideas to transform your home. We're skipping the long intros and diving right into budget-friendly, sustainable, and stunning ways to breathe new life into what you already own, turning dated pieces into custom treasures. Paint is the undisputed champion of furniture makeovers. It's affordable, impactful, and the possibilities are endless. But the secret to a professional, factory-like finish isn't in the final coat. It's in the prep and technique. First, prep is non-negotiable. Clean your piece thoroughly with a degreaser to remove years of grime. For most paints, you'll need a light scuff sand to give the primer something to grip onto. This step is the foundation for a durable, beautiful finish. Don't skip it. Now, a crucial nuance for painting tricky surfaces. If you're working with laminate or that glossy finish common on flat-pack furniture, regular primer won't stick. You must use a shellac-based bonding primer. It's designed to adhere to slick, non-porous surfaces and will prevent your paint from peeling off later. This one step is the difference between success and a frustrating failure. Now for the fun part, choosing your paint. We have our main players: chalk paint for its rustic simplicity, milk paint for an authentic chippy look, and latex or enamel for a durable, modern finish. Once you've chosen your paint, let's talk application. The number one complaint I hear is about brush strokes. To avoid them, first, invest in a quality brush. Second, for large flat surfaces like a tabletop, use a high-density foam roller. It gives a beautifully smooth, spray-like finish. And here's a pro tip. For latex paint, consider adding a paint conditioner or extender. This slows down the drying time, allowing the paint to level itself out, which magically reduces brush and roller marks. It's a secret weapon for a flawless finish. And don't be afraid of color. Draw inspiration from your surroundings. Look at the colors in your favorite piece of art, a beautiful textile, or even a sunset. A bold color can turn a simple piece into the focal point of your room. A great makeover goes beyond paint. It's the details and textures that truly elevate a piece from painted to designer. Let's start with the easiest, most impactful change you can make: hardware. Think of hardware as the jewelry for your furniture. And don't just look in big box stores. Explore flea markets, antique shops, or online artisan marketplaces. You can find unique, handmade metal or even leather pulls that tell a story and make your piece truly one of a kind. Now, let's add some texture. One of my favorite tricks is using peel and stick wallpaper or fabric. Don't just think about the top. Apply it to the sides of drawers for a beautiful surprise every time you open them. Or use it on the back panel of a bookshelf to create a stunning backdrop for your display items. A pro tip: before you apply it, paint the back panel a dark, coordinating color. That way, if there are any tiny gaps in your wallpaper, they'll be invisible. For a high-end, trending look, try cane webbing. You can replace glass or solid door panels with cane to add natural, airy texture. The key to applying it without wrinkles is to soak it in warm water for about 30 minutes before you install it. As it dries, it will shrink and pull itself perfectly taut for a professional finish. If you're working with real wood, remember the incredible details in historical craftsmanship. Think of the carved elements on antique furniture or the beautiful millwork in older homes. We can replicate that sense of depth easily. Use simple pre-made moldings to create geometric patterns on a flat door, or use wood glue to add half-round dowels for a trendy fluted or reeded effect. It adds shadow and sophistication instantly. Ready to get really creative? These next ideas are for when you want to make a serious statement. Let's talk epoxy resin. You've seen the stunning river tables, but you can apply this to smaller furniture too. Pour a vibrant, metallic epoxy over a damaged tabletop, to create a glossy, durable, and art-like surface. It's an advanced project, but the result is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Next, don't be afraid of upholstery. A full sofa is a job for a pro, but a dining chair seat is the perfect beginner project. All you need is a screwdriver, a staple gun, and a fabric you love. In about an hour, you can completely transform a set of tired dining chairs. Another game changer is changing the legs. A boxy, dated piece can be instantly modernized by swapping out its base. Replace clunky feet with sleek hairpin legs for an industrial vibe, or tapered wooden legs for a touch of mid-century modern elegance. Finally, add architectural detail with furniture overlays or simple moldings. These are pre-cut decorative panels you can glue onto flat surfaces like drawer fronts or cabinet doors to add texture and dimension. It's an easy way to get a custom, high-end look without any complex woodworking. So let's imagine how we can combine some of these ideas. Picture a plain, dated dresser, maybe something you'd find at a thrift store. Let's walk through its potential transformation. First, we take off the old hardware and give the whole piece a thorough cleaning and a light sanding. Next, 2 coats of a bonding primer to make sure our paint would last. Then we would apply 2 coats of a beautiful deep blue latex paint in a satin finish for that perfect, subtle sheen. While that dried, we would take the drawers and add our surprise detail, a gorgeous peel-and-stick wallpaper with a subtle gold pattern to the sides. Finally, we would drill new holes and install elegant, modern brass poles that would pop against the dark blue. And there you have it. You could take a forgotten thrift store find and, by combining a few simple techniques, paint, new hardware, and a hidden detail, turn it into a stunning, custom piece that could anchor an entire room. We're almost done, but don't celebrate just yet. We have one final crucial step that protects all our hard work, the top coat. Skipping this is like leaving the house in the rain without a jacket. Your choice of sealer depends on your paint and the piece's use. For pieces painted with chalk paint, a furniture wax will give you a beautiful, soft, matte finish. You simply wipe it on, let it haze, and buff it off. It offers a lovely, hand-rubbed feel. For pieces painted with latex or acrylic, especially high-traffic surfaces like tabletops or dressers, you need a liquid top coat. Water-based polyacrylic is a fantastic choice. It dries crystal clear, so it will not yellow your beautiful white or light-colored paint job. It cleans up with water and has low odor. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats for lasting protection. Oil-based polyurethane is incredibly durable, but has a strong smell and can impart a slight amber tone over time. This can actually be beautiful on dark paint colors or stained wood, but avoid it on pure whites. It's best for the hardest working surfaces, like a dining table. Prepped, painted, and protected. Now, the final part of the transformation, styling. A piece of furniture isn't finished until it's integrated into your home. Think in layers and create a small story. Use items of varying heights to draw the eye up. Add something living like a plant. Add something personal like a photo. And add texture, a ceramic lamp, a metal tray. This is what makes it feel like a part of your home. The next time you see a piece of tired furniture, I hope you don't see it for what it is, but for what it could be. It's not just about saving money. It's about reducing waste and pouring your own creativity and personality into your space. The satisfaction of creating with your own hands and crafting a home that is uniquely, beautifully yours is a reward in itself. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Are you inspired to start your own project? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a like and subscribe for more home transformation content. Now, go find something to make over.